I'm Dr. Kumar Jain from Government Law PG College, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Today, my lecture is on environmental law, in which we are going to study the constitution of boards under the Water Pollution Act 1974. For this, it is necessary that we should know the definition of the boards and the constitution of the boards, that is, the central board and the state boards. The definition under the Act 1974 specifies that the board shall consist of the central board and the state boards. This is given under section 2A of the Act, Water Pollution Act 1974. The central board is further defined under section 2B, which says that it is the Central Pollution Control Board which is constituted under section 3 of this Act, that is the Water Pollution Act 1974. The state boards are further defined under section 2H, which means the Central Pollution Control Board constituted under section 4 of this Act. Now, the main question arises that how the constitution is formed, that is, what are the members which are under this particular board, that is the central board and the state board. Section 3 of the Act specifies the constitution of the central board. Section 3(1) of the Act constitutes a Central Pollution Control Board which has been constituted by the central government by the official gazette. The section 3(2) of the Act consists of the following members. From section A to F, the various members are to be there for the constitution of the central board. And a trick can be played in which we can know the members which are necessary for the constitution of the central board. This is 155321. Mean it is 155321. If you know this number, then it will be very well possible that you may remember the numbers which are necessary for the members. Now we should start with section 3(2)(a). Section 3(2)(a), that is full-time chairman. Full-time chairman is one and who has to be nominated by the central government. If it is the central board, a trick is to be played, that is, all the members are to be nominated by the central government. If it is the state board, then all the members are to be nominated by the state government. Section 3(2)(b). You should know the numbers. So the second number is 5. It should not exceed 5, not exceeding 5, which means it should not be more than 5. And they should be officials which are to be nominated by the central government. Section 3(2)(c), not exceeding 5 again, but amongst the members of the state boards. The state board has been constituted under section 4 of the Act. Therefore, not exceeding 5 means the members amongst the state board, but in this one more clue is given, one more provision is given, that is, the two members should be from section 4(2)(c) of this Act. D, that is section 3(2)(d), means not exceeding 3, means they should not be more than 3. And these are the members who are the non-officials, again nominated by the central government. And they are representing various fields such as agriculture, labor, industry and other fields which in the opinion of the central government fits to be deemed fit. Section 3(2)(e). This is most important. Why? Because I have already encircled 2 here. And why? Because 2 persons. Here, when we are seeing from A to D, you are saying not exceeding, not exceeding, not exceeding, but now you are seeing 2 persons. Therefore, it is important that 2 persons are necessary from the companies or the corporations again who are to be nominated by the central government. However, these companies or corporations are either to be owned or either to be managed or either to be controlled by the central government. Therefore, there should be 2 persons and therefore they should not be nominated by the central government. Here we have marked on one a small tick here. Why? Because this is one full-time secretary who is to be appointed by the central government. Till now we were studying that from A to E, all the members were nominated by the central government. However, in the F, it is the secretary who is to be appointed by the central government. And therefore, he should have the scientific or the engineering or the management knowledge or the experience. When we go through this, section 3.3 specifies the central board shall be a body corporate having a perpetual succession and a seat of its own to acquire, hold and dispose of its property. Therefore, it can sue as well it can be sued by other parties. Thank you.